Hello, my name's Carl Litherland and I'm CMO for the Motan Group. I'm here today to talk to you about an exciting development that we've had at Motan. We've developed a new brand, and this is Swift by Motan. Now you can see behind me one of the dryers, and you'll notice it's now in a different color. With Swift, we have a full range of products from drying, dosing, mixing, and conveying and storage. So basically, we're offering pretty much the same product offering that we do with Motan, but with one big difference. All of the Swift products are designed to be standardized, and it means that you have a product that is more price efficient for you, and it has all of the options that most processors need for their production. So if you're an injection molder or an extruder that has a standard application, then Swift may very well be the product for you. Some of the key features for Swift. Swift needs to be easy to use. And one of the things we've got on every Swift product, we have a full color, touch sensitive 7-inch screen with a very user-friendly HMI. It has to be simple, it needs to be easy to use, easy to connect, easy to maintain, easy to install, and last a lifetime. And that's been one of the key goals behind Swift. We now have a range of small dosing mixing equipment. On the drying side, we have a really exciting range of smaller dryers, which complement the Motan large system dryers. And on the conveying side, we now have conveying solutions, which are either press side or a full conveying system with higher throughputs, as long as the application isn't too demanding. Then Swift can normally cover those types of applications without any problem at all.